Right, so today I want to teach you how to, sign up, how to start your own blog. I want to teach you that. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you download the Medium app on your phone. And yeah, let's start that. So download the Medium app on your phone, let it install. While it is installing, while it is downloading, definitely you understand that once you want to use the Medium app, you don't need to pay, you don't need to pay to use the app. Though there is a VIP, you can also make payments, but if you don't have enough cash to pay yet, you can use the Medium app for free. You can share stories, you can share content first without having to pay, and people can get to read whatever it is that you shared, whatever it is that you've written. People can get to read it. But you know that once you want to monetize it, you will need to become a member of the Medium association for you to get paid, and for you to be able to get paid through people reading your content. All right, so while we are waiting for it to install, it has finished installing. Then you open it. That's the next thing for you to do, is to open it. And when you open, it's trying to open. It's going to ask you, should you, which one you want. Do you want to? It's going to ask you, do you want to sign up with Google, with Facebook, with email, or do you already have an account? So since you are new to the platform, you sign up with Google, and it's going to bring out the various. If you have more than one Google account on your phone, it's going to bring it out so that you can select the one that you want. So basically, that is what it's trying to do for me. And yeah, I'm going to just say, okay, let me pick any one of this, and then I pick this particular one, this particular Gmail address. Then I continue as that, and then it's trying to sign me in. It's trying to sign up for me, and then once it signs up, yeah, this is it, right? So allow it to send me notification. I can just say don't allow. You can choose to allow. You can see this information. It says become a friend of Medium, join our membership level to increase your contribution to writers and strengthen your support, you know at free platform. So you can either say maybe later, or you upgrade immediately. But since you are not ready, just in case maybe you are not ready to monetize your platform yet, you just say maybe later, right? So now the beautiful thing about this platform is that it gives you the opportunity to be able to read other people's content. Yeah, so you get to be able to read other people's content. Now, these are other people's content, and let's say, okay, you want to start your own, right? So what you basically need to do is to come here and see, it brings out my name, Toluwakemi, but you can edit it by editing your profile. So once you edit your profile, you can choose an image from your phone, and this Toluwakemi, you can put Toluwakemi, you can put your pronouns. Are you a she, he, me, them, whichever one you want. I am a she. So you can put a little bit of bio, content around, you want to write content around self-development, growth, and whatever it is that you want to do, you just put it there. And then you just do that, you save it, and then the beautiful thing about it, says you don't have any public posts. You don't have any public posts, right? So you can start by saying, this is the stats, right? The statistics of it. This is it. You've not written anything. That's why there's nothing here yet, right? So you can just say, okay, I want to start writing. You write your first blog post, and then you finish writing it. You put it there. This is just something I wrote this morning, and then you put it here, and then the next thing you do is, you preview it. You see how it's going to look like once you do it. Oh, this is it. You can change it, you can edit it, and say how to love me, how to love me, and then you just put like a subtitle, maybe like a something enticing that can make people read it. Read me, you can just do that, read me. So you can add topics like this particular conversation is related to what? Is related to love. You can say it's related to love, it's related to love, it's related to relationship, it's related to dating, it's related to marriage, is related to marriage. You can just put whichever one is related to marriage. You can put is related to God. You can also put it there, related to God. You can put it there. So you can only do 5 out of everything. I think you can increase the topics if you are a member of the Medium, friends of Medium. But if you are not, you can just do 5 and then you save it. And then the next thing you do is, do you want to publish it? So you see, you must complete the submission process in order for your story to be sent to a publication editor. The editor will be responsible for publishing your draft. So you can either publish it, or you can say no, you don't want to publish it, you just want to put it on your platform, which is this Medium platform. So there are various publishing editors. Like for example, there's one that I know of, just keep it. There's one that I know of, the name is Illumination. This is something that you have to learn to be able to get adequate understanding about how the Medium app really works. So I know of one that is Illumination. I know a publication that is Illumination. Yeah, so see, we create and disseminate outstanding articles for diverse domains and disciplines. So there are various publications that you can submit your drafts. You can submit your draft to. There are various publications you can submit your draft to. There are a lot. So you can submit here. Submit to any one of these. You can submit to any one of these. So if you submit your draft to any of these publication, other people in that, like people following them, will be able to read your content. That's the beauty of it. Do you get? So that's the beauty of it. So we curate and disseminate outstanding articles for diverse domains, and that's the way that's it. They are also, the beautiful thing about this is that they are also a blog site. Do you get? Like they have followers. See, for example, now they have 86.9K followers. Let's say you have like what's it called now? Let's say maybe you have like 20 followers, or maybe you are just starting, right? Let's say you're just starting your own blog. Let's say that's what you're doing, you're just starting. So the beauty about it is if you submit it here, it gets to their platform, and 86.9K followers, that is, people can get to read your content. And that's the beauty of submitting your article for publication, right? Have I tried this before? Not yet, but I'm working towards also trying it for myself. That's why I'm just doing this tutorial. I'm not saying that, I'm not putting myself out there as a thought leader when it comes to blogging yet, because I am also still trying and I'm also still exploring various opportunities in it. But what I can tell you is you can get started just by you writing and sharing your content. For example now, how do you share this particular content you've just written, how to love? Basically, you can share it by just clicking on this and then just say how to love. Did you see the way it came out? How to love. You can copy the link, share it with people to read. You can share it on your Instagram story. You can share it with everybody to read. Now, this is another account I had to create because I also want to create another account. But this is another account that I created, right? So the beauty about this is I can easily just search for me and just say 11. I can search for my own personal, because this is I have a personal blog and I have a professional blog, right? So this is 1105. Let me look for my personal blog. Let me look for my personal blog. uh people trying to look for me. So in case I'm not able to find myself like this, the beautiful thing is I have the link, right? So I can just go get my link and then just directly look for my content. I can just directly do that. So let's go. Let's go check it out. So um yeah, this is it. So this is me. This is me. 11:05, right? I can just follow. That's the beauty of it. And then this is one of my contents, and I'll just clap for myself. I'll clap for myself. Right? I'm going to clap for myself. And then yeah, that's it. That's how to do it. And now because I am following 11:05, right? So can you see now? Can you see now? It's going to like three people. So I'm following three people, and three people I'm following is oh, that's nice. I'm following the Medium account. I'm following the Tomiwa Ajiboye. But then this is funny because I've not even sent him a message yet, but I am following him, as you can see. And so these are the content that this particular person too has written. Look at it. So the person published first, January 1st, 2023, and then. Yeah. So this is it. What the person has published so far. So let me see what my personal account has published so far. So my personal account has published all this content so far. Can you see? So can be able to read anyone that I want, and then I'll just have fun reading. Yeah, so I think I published 10. This is my personal blog. Then this particular account I just opened now, I also want to grow it, and I want to turn it into a professional blog where I get to write about various other things like how to's, right? So yeah, this is basically how you can start, and people will be able to read your blog. People will be able to read your content. Actually, people will be able to read your content, and you don't have to pay. You can say that I didn't need to pay. I just see I've shared it. If I share this now with friends and family, they will start clicking on it, and they will start, they'll start clicking on it, and they'll start reading, and they can leave comments, they will clap. And in case you're like, okay, so Toluwakemi, how do I make money from this? Like I said, I am also very new and very fresh at this. um I hope that in the nearest future I am also able to communicate this in a better way, but for now, let's work with this. So I'm going to just say this, that my advice is start first. That's the beauty. Like, start first. Start first. At least what I'm working towards to is to create a number of content, so that by the time I monetize it, it won't be like I'll I'll be seen much more, like I'll be much more serious. Do you get? So I'll just advise you that, create 10 contents, create 20 contents, create 50 contents, create 100 contents, then see where it takes you, right? So I hope with this short video, I hope that I've been able to, I hope you are able to start your own content, right? I hope you're able to start your own content. I hope you're able to start your content journey. And I hope that you're able to explore. You're able to, much more than anything, the major thing is to start. I just want you to start, publish your first writing, publish your first content today, publish your first content tomorrow, publish your first content this month, this week. Do it, start. That's the best thing. This is July is still very fresh. July is still very fresh. So why not just start it? Alright, so till I come your way next time, my name is the Global Toluwakemi. Do me a favor, if you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button. Yeah, click on the subscribe button, drop a comment, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much. And